To make a delicious mango and habanero salsa, you're gonna need 3 serranos or jalapenos and 1 habanero, depending on how spicy you want it. 2 tomatoes and a clove of garlic. Moving them around so they roast on all sides. They're gonna be semi-raw. All salsas taste better when the ingredients are semi-raw. Now the peppers are ready. We're also gonna need a large mango. Now the tomatoes are ready. Now the mango's ready. You can tell once it turns darker. We're gonna add some cilantro and salt to taste. And last but not least, the sauteed mango. We're gonna add some lime juice. And it's ready. Now we're gonna taste it. Now we're gonna taste the mango and habanero salsa. This sauce is special for seafood. You can also do it with chips. I wanna taste it with chips. See, hopefully it's not that spicy. Very sweet and tasty.